Hi, today I'm going to share 5 types of online business you can start currently from home without an office or without an employee. Now due to COVID, many people have lost their job and started this online business online, and they have crushing it and dominating, and they become more valuable and they are making a lot of money. So if you want to know what are those 5 businesses, then please stay till end of this video. And before continuing this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Manish Bandari. I influence myself to influence others. I am an affiliate marketer, and I help solo entrepreneurs to launch and scale their business online with productivity action and digital tools. So let me share my screen. What are those 5 types of online business which you can start without an office or an employee? So number one is consulting. If you can consult, if you have some knowledge about your experience and you can just give a consultancy, then you can make a lot of money. Now there are subtopics which I will share in a bit of time. Let me explain these first 5 points, and I'll share in consultancy what and all areas you can target. Second is the coaching. Now you can see lot of coaches on the Facebook about talking about they can teach you this, they can teach you that, and a lot of expert masters are appearing on these ad copies. So there are a lot of coaching industry where you can start. And one of the guy and one of my mentor, he is a topmost digital coach in India who has produced more than 1,000 digital leaders in this span of 1 year. And if you want to learn, if you are a coach, trainer, and expert, and if you want to take your offline coaching to online, then this is a guy whom you can learn. And if you want his link, just go and type manishschool.co/s basic. I will drop my this link in the description also. So please go and check it out. Third is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the most simple, with a low investment and easy to make money online by selling others people product and services. Okay. Again, there is another mentor from whom I have learned affiliate marketer, and he is a guy who is not a six-figure income marketer, but a eight-figure market income generator. Okay. So if you want to learn from him, just go and check this link, that is manishschool.co/FP. FP full form is F for fan, P for pink. I will drop the description again. Just go and check it. You can access the free courses if you want to learn affiliate marketing. The fourth is network marketing. Network marketing is a big industry and a booming one. So I will just tell you 3 types of in network marketing where you can make a lot of money. Online services, the big gorilla in online industry. If you can tap on this and you can make some skill out of it, then no one can stop you to grow in terms of money. So let me tell you first the consultation subtopics which you can target in consultancy. So number one is the financial. If you have some expertise on the investment, on the stock market, or on the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, in the banking industry, how to invest in the gold investment. If you have some knowledge, then you can start a consultancy. Okay. Now there is a big gold and silver investment company has come, that is called 7K Metal. Just go and check out in the description. I have given it again if you want. That is manishschool.co/FP, the same of the affiliate marketing link. Just go and check the 7K Metal where you can invest in a gold and silver, and you can do a consultancy for that. So if you are interested in financial, or if you have some experience in financial industry, you can start a consultancy business from online. Second is a business. If you had some business or you were a business coach who were guiding a path and giving direction for all these small businesses that how to do a business with a strategy, then same thing you can start doing it online also. Now there are many subtopics in business also, which I cannot point out right now, but there are many contexts, and if you click the link below in the description, you will find it there. Next is the health. Now, health has become the biggest industry in this past 1 year due to COVID. Many people, many master, expert, yoga guru have been appeared in this Facebook who are teaching healing, self-healing, who are teaching yoga, meditation, post-pregnancy weight loss, belly weight loss, different kind of health industry people have been appeared, and this is a big gorilla market and everyone is looking forward for it. Okay, so if you can tap out and make an expertise out of it, and if you can help people in health, then you can make a lot of money. The fourth is the relationship. Now due to COVID, lot of quarrel has happened, lot of fight has happened between the spouse and the in-laws because everyone was staying industry, and that was the problem occurred in past 1 year in a big time. So expert came out that they can help you out. So if you are into that industry, you can start targeting your audience in this space of area, that is relationship. The fifth is real estate. Now real estate in 2020 was like this down, but today in 2021 it is booming. People are looking for quality house because due to COVID, being in that kind of middle class mentality, people have got fed up, and now they understood what of amenities they need if something lockdown happens in future. So they're looking like a quality kind of house where they have a community of big community, gated community kind of things, where you can live a independent life even if the outer world is being locked down. So if you can have some knowledge about consultation of a real estate, then you can target and make a lot of money in this. So let me close the consultation part. And the second was the coaching. So coaching also has the 5 types of area where you can target. One is music. Many people have shifted to this industry and it's never going to end. So it's a big unstoppable industry. If you have some knowledge about music, then you can start going and teach music. Many of my friends are doing this and they have left their job like Honeywell and all, and they're doing this one. So start targeting to kids and the people who are sitting at home, they're keen to learn. Okay. Leadership. Many people want to become a leader, not only in politics, but in their company or in their community. And they're looking forward to this kind of area also. So if you are currently a leader, or if you can do a motivational kind of to push back and bring them into limelight and can show a path, then this is also biggest industry. Third is the sales and marketing. So many people are struggling in sales and marketing, doing outside in this also. And if you have some path or some direction, if you have some system to how to do a sales, then you can do coaching on the sales and marketing. It is the biggest industry again in offline world, but you can teach by giving a consultancy or coaching by online. Fourth is astrology. Never ending business, at least in India. If you are an astrologer, if you know something about uh, uh, cosmetic, Cosmo and all those things, Puranas, and if you know to read hand, tarot card reader, if any kind of in that space, then you can start teaching astrology to other people. By the way, my communication might be not exactly about the topic, but I'm trying to make it correct. Okay, so please be patient on that and forgive me if I tell something wrong words. The fifth is the school curriculum. Obviously, regular school was there. It got shut down and everybody started online. Many teachers have lost their job, but there is a still space where you can teach like math, science. We have the people in our community who is just teaching a maths and making at least 10 lakhs rupees in a month. Okay, just teaching a maths. So in that they can teach Vedic maths. There are Vedic science. There are many other micro topics are there inside the school curriculum also. So you can choose your particular topic, and people are taking individual coaching classes for particular subject. So if you are an expert or you've been a teacher, you can start doing this. So that was the coaching industry. The third is affiliate marketing. Now, as I said, I am also an affiliate marketer. The most easiest, the most with a low investment and the very flexible and convenience business to do from home with just a laptop. It is an affiliate marketing where you sell other people product and services. So how you can do an affiliate marketing? There are the 5 types of affiliate marketing currently people are doing. Number 1 is the blogging. If you can write an article on a particular subject, you can do an article every day, 1 article a day, and you can insert your affiliate link. If people click on that and buy it, you get a commission. The second thing is a video. The kind of the video which you are seeing currently, I have given some description, my affiliate link. So by doing a video, you can promote your affiliate products. One-to-one call. Now the one-to-one call is the high ticket affiliate marketing strategy where you can sell products like more than costing a 1 lakh rupees in India at least. So one-to-one call can be more useful when you can selling a highest price of product. Okay. Fourth is podcast. That's a big booming industry and upcoming trend. If you can do a podcast and you can leverage your game by just voicing you without how the radio jockeys are doing like FM and all, how they are doing an ads for the other people. Similarly, in a podcast, you can start promoting other people by just telling their company name or the website name. My kid is crying, please don't mind. So fifth is the email. Email is not going to stop anywhere closer to until we have the Google intact or any competition coming for Google. Okay. Until Google is alive, email is not going to die. Email marketing is one of the best marketing. If you can collect the data of the people and you can send them and can give a value, and then you can pitch for your affiliate link, people going to buy it. Okay. There are many other ways to do an affiliate marketing and many invisible steps goes inside that while doing a business. And if you want to learn, as I said, just go to a website called affiliateonlinemoney.com and you will come to a master class, free master class where you can learn a basic affiliate marketing, how to be done. Okay. Just go and check out. It's affiliateonlinemoney.com. Go and register and you can do the most flexible and convenient business currently, that is affiliate marketing. So fourth is network marketing. Now in network marketing, you have 3 types. One is single tier marketing. Single tier marketing where you are selling other company's product by on your own and you making a commission. 2 tier marketing is you are taking a product and you are appointing a distributor downline of yours, and when he makes a sale, so you get also commission and he also makes a commission. That's called 2 tier marketing. Now there is a multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing is also called an MLM marketing, where you have the chain system. You have product purchasing a product, and below your distributor, he also purchases, and he creates lot of distributors. So it's like a chain business, and everyone makes a commission. So it's called a multi-level marketing. The fifth is online service. Nothing like online service. If you are skilled on particular topic, and if you can serve them through online, then this game is for you, and you can make lot of money, and you can become valuable in this industry. Okay, many people, children's like from age of 10 to 20 under this category are doing these businesses currently in India, and it is boom like anything in past 1 year. So there are 7 types of business you can start from online. That is website design. If you are great at website design, just go and do it. Many people are waiting for that, and 2025 is going to be a $500 million industry in India. So every business, 80% of the offline business is going to move online, and everyone needs the website. Okay, so if you are good at it, nothing like that, just go and design a website. People will ready to pay you as per your talent, and minimum cost starts from 5,000. And to build a website, it doesn't take even a 1 day basic website. Okay, just go and learn, start this business, very easy. You have the full information on the YouTube also. You can start doing from learning from YouTube also. Okay, you don't need any teacher to learn from it. Again, there is a software called eStage, the nice software which I have built my website. It's very easy to build. It's like a drag and drop. If you want to learn about that software, again, I've given a description down. That is manishschool.co/fp. That is F for fan, P for pig. Okay, manishschool.co/fp. Lot of free courses available, and you will also find a eStage software inside it. Next is copywriting. If you can write a article for some other person. Now, if I am doing a business, but I'm not good at writing a mails, I'm not good at writing articles. So you can help it. If you're good at that, you know grammar, how to write it, where the title should come, or how should be the paragraph, or what should be the font. So all this comes under copywriting. If you can good at it, then you can start giving a service online. Video editing, biggest, currently trending, and it's going to stay for a longer time. Okay, many people don't know about video editing. If you can do animation, if you can do put a subtitles, if you can change a intro, outro, all those things comes under video editing. And if you can do that, there are a lot of software available, free software. Go and check out. Okay, I will give you a free tool where you can check out. That is manishschool.co/Canva. Okay, I've given in the description also. If you want to learn video editing, free courses are available where you can do free editing also. Just go and check it out. Fourth is ad manager. Now, many people like me, I also does the online ads for myself. And like me, many people don't know how to do a Google ad, how to do a Facebook ad, how to do a LinkedIn ad. There are many people who has money, but they don't know how to do an ad and target a particular customer, which can be useful for their targeted audience. So if you can do an ad, if you can become an ad manager for particular people to handle their ad account, then you can make a lot of money. Now in India, I know a guy from Pune. He is making 10 lakhs rupees by just doing a ad manager or managing an ad for the people who are sitting in a foreign country. People in US, UK, and all these people who are paying in dollars, in pounds, they don't know. They got a business like small businesses like bakery, saloon, no dry clean, plumbing, all those things. But they don't know to do a Google ad, simple Google ad. But this guy is managing from India and making 10 lakhs, who is paying, getting thousands dollars from each customer. Okay. And when they pay in dollars, it's a big amount for us. So that's how we making a 10 lakhs. So just go and learn. Information is available in YouTube. You can do a lot of money because online business required an ad marketing. Okay. So many people are looking forward it. So go and just master the ad manager, whichever you want to do, Google, YouTube, whatever it is. The fifth is analysis and reporting. Now in community members, from the mentor whom I'm learning, now he cannot handle everything. We have almost 11,000 plus community members. So many people can come and ask questions. Many people can do a spam on with their link, personal link, or they can ask out of the topic questions. So there are the people who are managing their particular account like WhatsApp account, Telegram account, their emails to reply the emails. So what people question are asking. So all this analysis and giving the overall how much was the investment. If you can give an analysis report day by day, there are the people who are looking for these jobs. Okay. The fifth is the support and feedback. Again, online required and support and feedback. You can see a lot of chat box. Any website you will find a chat box, and a lot of support team gives the solution whatever question you ask. So again, this industry falls between the age of 20 to up to 30, 20 to 35 people are working in this industry. Okay, very narrow industry, very good industry. Everyone looking for a support and feedback. If you can do that, nothing like that. Seventh is a freelancer. As I said, if you are skilled in particular profession, then there are many websites where you can go and register yourself as a freelancer. And if your job is good, you can earn money without a boss. Okay. At least in first 6 steps in online service, you have to listen someone. But in freelancing, you will not contact directly the customer. No one will order you. You will be registered in one account on your as per your expertise. So think like you are in a website designer, okay, and you are registered in X website. Now that X website will give you link, will give you a question saying that this is the customer, he is looking so and so, okay, and you will design according to whatever he wants, and you will submit it. That's all. Once then that website will send to the customer, and customer will reply back and choose, like you many freelancer would be sending the reports, and customer will choose which is good. And if your talent is good, if your service is good, you will make a lot of money. There is no boss. Sitting at home, anytime you can work. You can log in anytime, you can log out anytime. Okay. So that's a kind of freelancing job is available. So these were the 5 types of businesses which I have told. One is consultancy, second is coaching, third is affiliate marketing, fourth is network marketing, and fifth is online service. Just go and, if you don't know any of this industry, if you're just beginner, go and learn. Okay, learn, apply, and then give your service. You can become a great. Drop in a comment box if this was the useful for you. I will see you inside. And if you want to learn from my mentors, I've given the description below. Please go and check out the free courses. And if you want to connect with me, just type manishschool.co/1-to-1. If you have some idea, if you have to do some business online, I can guide you. And this call will be for free of cost, 60 minutes call. Just type the link which I've said, manishschool.co/1-to-1. Please drop and like this video, drop your comment box and drop your questions, whichever topics I like to answer you and connect with you. Thank you so much.